Unlock the power of your American Express for seamless and secure online shopping. First, locate key details on your Amex card: the 15-digit card number on the front, the expiration date, and the 4-digit security code, also known as the SID, found above your card number on the front of your card. When making an online purchase, you'll typically enter these details into the designated fields on the merchant's checkout page. For added security, American Express often implements features like SafeKey, which might require you to verify your purchase through a one-time passcode sent to your registered phone or email, or via the Amex mobile app. After your purchase, always review your transactions through the American Express website or mobile app to ensure unfamiliar charges haven't occurred. To protect yourself from fraud, always ensure the website you're shopping on is secure by looking for a padlock icon in the browser's address bar and HTTPS at the beginning of the website address. And remember, only complete purchases on websites you trust and recognize. By following these simple steps, you can confidently and securely use your American Express card for all your online shopping needs.